Hello friends, today we are going to talk about RBI Grade B preparation. First, now let's understand how to start an preparation. If you want to become an RBI officer, watch this full video and comment your opinion or give a suggestion what can I improve in my video. Okay, let's start. I have this PDF. I'll be giving in description. You can do first. Let's see what is RBI exam. First, we need to understand the exam, and we need to gather the resources, and we need to create a study plan and practice regularly. The main thing is practice, and consistency. Consistency kills talent. Consistency plus hard work is equal to success. If you want to get success, you must hard work. And mock test is the most important because all your weaknesses, strength will be seen in the mock test. Okay, after you giving the mock test, you will the review and adjust. Okay, now let's move to how can we start in preparation. First, let's understand RBI Grade B exam, which is conducted by Reserve Bank of India in 3 phases. You can see prelims. In prelims, it's an objective type question which is 200 marks. I think last year the cutoff was 54 or 55. Out of 200, you need to just score 56 or 52, which is very difficult. Friends, believe me, it is very difficult. Next is mains. In mains, there is a 3 paper: economic and social issue, finance and management. Okay. Then interview, which consists 75 marks. Okay. After interview, you will get appointment. After, there will be job benefits. I have been explained in the previous video. The next is the exam pattern overview. I will say how to start, and I will I have an PDF which is consistent timetable what you have to read for beginner 30 days. I will have a PDF. If you want, you can comment me. Okay, I have a Telegram channel, you can join it. First, let's understand exam pattern. Exam pattern is, first we need to start. The first thing is we need to start. The first page is prelims. In prelims, we can see quant, reasoning, English and general awareness, which is current affairs related to economics. Okay, in quants we will see such as in quants we will be like here, see, in quants you can see like mathematics, which is like percentage, compound interest, time and work, and data interpretation in quants. Okay, in reasoning, in reasoning you can see in reasoning, English and general awareness. In phase 2 exam, social issue, finance management, English description, and the final is interview. After interview, you'll be selected. Okay, now let's understand the subject of this topic. In phase 1, quant, reasoning, English and general awareness. In quant, the percentage, data interpretation, simple interest, and compound interest. I am just saying this basic syllabus. If you want to complete syllabus, I can make a video on it. Please comment on it. Because I'm not making the syllabus very large because it is very complex. You can't understand. So I can make a separate dedicated video to the syllabus. First, let's understand basic syllabus. You need to first understand basic syllabus, then I will teach you advanced. Then phase 1, initial phase, where you need to focus consistency. First thing you should avoid is early motivations. The most people struggle with early motivation. You should not to the trap in early motivation. Okay, now quants. In quants, mathematics. In reasoning, logic thinking, puzzle, and blood relation, clock. Okay, these are the reasoning type, which is consists 60 marks. Reasoning and general awareness consist over 60 marks. In general awareness 80, reasoning is 60. Quants, I think it consists 30. English consists 30. Total it is 200. In phase 2, which is social issue, you have to write in descriptive, like you have to not write in pencil, you have to type in computer. So you please practice in computer as if you are possible, or buy a laptop which is second for 5,000, 6,000. Okay, no LX. And next is finance management. You must have a great knowledge in finance, bank, SEBI, etc. in all finance institution. And general awareness and current report, like if any RBI launches any report, RBI make any policies, monetary policies, industrial policy, foreign policy, exim policy, all you should remember. And the government will launch, I think government will take a budget, right? you must remember everything. The language, you should have a good language proficiency, good language in hold, and you should have a skill error detection in English. You must be thorough in English. Okay, next, the most important part is the books. The books is the most important part here, because I recommend some books which I give all the books link in description. You can buy it. Okay, the recommended book subject in for quantitative, Sharma, it is best. Reasoning, Adda 24/7. For English, SP Bakshi. General awareness, Lucent is enough. For general awareness, Lucent is enough. For Indian economy, Nitin Singhania, a book which is a very excellent book. I have tried, which is very excellent book. For finance, which is Bharat Pataki, I have given a link, all the books, a link in the description. You can go and check it. Okay. Next, move to the timetable. See, this is a simple timetable. Okay. See, this is just a simple timetable. I have a certain PDF on what time, what you should read, and what you can, which help you, because you are a beginner, you are watching my video. So I have a timetable. If you want me to post, I will post in comment box. If you comment, I will certainly provide you the timetable. Now let's understand basic, like on upper layer. So on surface, I will say what you should do. Monday to Saturday, you must in morning, you must read economics and finance management. On afternoon, quants and reasoning. On evening, current affairs plus revision. Revision is the main important thing in this. If you are reading, even if you read little today, but you should do revision for 5 to 10 times a day. Okay. On Saturday or on Sunday, full revision. The week, for example, Monday to Saturday, you read all such concept, like 5 to 6 concept you have learned. Okay, in Sunday, you should do full revision 5-10 times. Read again. If you get bored, do it again. Please don't stop the revision. Revision is the best friend. Revise or regret. Okay, and mock test. If you don't know, still take mock test. Because why I say is, mock test. If mock test, the only thing that you came to know, that you have a weakness in which subject you don't have an old, which subject you should more focus. Okay, essay rating. First, you are a beginner, so you start in writing, essay rating. Okay, then you started doing computer. Okay. The next is importance of revision. Revision is the most important thing, friends. I am telling you every time, revision is the most important thing. See, weekly revision. For revision, you need to dedicate 3 to 4 hours. On Sunday, you need to dedicate 3 to 4 hours of revision. What you have read, read it thoroughly. Remember it every time. Mock test analysis. For example, if you give a mock test which consists 200 marks, let's suppose you attended everything and you got around 40. Okay, you got around 40, which is the best score. Okay, out of 200. In rest 140, 160 which is wrong, so analyze it, what you have done wrong, where went wrong. You should analyze it, and next time the mistake should not repeat again. Okay, this is revision. Revision is the most important part of this. Okay, everyone who skips revision, they are going to skip their exams. If you skip revision, what your dream is, remember your dream every time. Remember your dream. Your dream is to become an RBI officer, which is very prestigious job in India. Okay. Next is final tip is read newspaper daily. I don't say to read everything in newspaper. By Hindu or Indian Express or Economic Times, which I recommend to take Economic Times, which is financial newspaper. So take an Economic Times. If there's any policy of RBI, check RBI website every week. If there's any policy, if there is any anything changes made in policies in economics, in finance ministry, in finance secretary, please keep an eye out. Okay. Stay consistent. One is stay consistent every time. I will say one thing. For example, there is a big stone. You put an water to a big stone at once, the big stone won't break. Okay. If the same water drop by drop dropping for consistently for 1 year, the stone will be tear into 2 parts because of consistency. So please stay consistent. Even if you read little today, please stay consistent. Okay, smart preparation, stay consistent, have a mock exam, mock test, daily news, keep an eye on it, stay calm, have a take 2-3 hours break. Okay, after finishing take 3 hours break. Don't scroll to Instagram or WhatsApp, just talk to yourself. Imagine, okay, talk to yourself. This is the preparation. If you want to preparation, like if you want timetable or detailed syllabus, if the syllabus very large and complex, I will explain. If you want, comment and like. Okay, this was the end of the video. I hope you like this video. Please like and share, which encourages me and motivates me to do more video for you people. And quick remember that I am not writing exam this year. I am preparing this exam for next year, because RBI is very competitive exam, and it's very getting to RBI is very low. So I gave my time to 1 year for the RBI. So I am writing exam for next year. So even if you are prepared from last 1 year, you can write this year. I am writing on next year. Okay, thank you for your patience to see this video. Like and share and subscribe. Drop your doubts and give me suggestion. What can I do next video? Okay, thank you.